Hi, ARK fans. Welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today is June 7th, and as you can see, the color says it all. The portfolio is very green for today, even though there was hardly any trade. So, what could be the other reason? Obviously, it's the stock price going up. And stay with me to find out which ones were the biggest moves and by how much, what's the ranking, what's the overall list. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side in this very short video today. Thank you. Welcome back, ARK fans. In ARK's summary section, we keep an eye on high-level numbers like market value, which is up to 43.2 billion, which is 2.5% up compared to Friday. Friday it was 42.1 billion, and today it is 43.2 billion end of Monday. So this is great. Good to see it climbing back up 2.5% in one day. Number of companies has remained constant for past few days to 266 companies. Without wasting much time, let's go to the biggest moves. The filter that we have, people who have been watching this know that we look at it two ways. First, we filter on the percentage of shares. So any company that had whose position or number of shares increased by 2.5% or more, or 2.5% or less, will show up here. These are the companies that qualify for that criteria. This is their ranking in the 266 companies. Oh, look at that, 266 company. This is the last company in the ranking, Cyrus Pharmaceuticals, which they have reduced 85% more, but 85% reduction only caused 0.1 million. So that speaks volumes about this company is the last company really. They're almost getting rid of it. Let's look at the biggest one, which is One Software Technology. This seems a bit weird to me because it popped up the other day as well. They bought 900% extra shares, then they reduced it, and then they bought it again. So maybe we'll take a look at it in spotlight charts sometime. Stock price has dipped quite a bit, and hence they are buying a lot more. But this might need more research. So let me get that out of the way first, and then look at the other ones. So other big one is One Life Healthcare, 17%. And $13.5 million is the market value difference it caused. Rest of it is all negative. Huya, they reduced 21%. Garmin, they reduced 16%, which caused this much difference in the value. And as I hover over these, you'll see more information, like it is present in two ETFs and shares trend and stock price trend. Garmin, they reduced quite a bit there as well. Then you have Pluristem Therapeutics, Roblox 4% reduced. Interesting, as the stock price went down today, but not as bad as where it started for the date range I've selected there. Spirit Aerosystems, again reducing 4% shares there, even though stock price went up. Snapchat reduced 3.5%. Stock price not so up, not so down. DocuSign again going back up to the stock price going back up to 240, and the shares, number of shares, they reduced. They are just taking profit there, looks like. Then Nvidia Corp, again, we have number of shares reduced and the stock price going up. So looks like in some of these companies they're taking profits. Now let's take a look at it other way, right? So when we reduce this guy to 0%, so any company that had any change in position at all will show up here, even though it has very few shares. And then market value is the one that we will sort it by. So let's sort it like this, so we can see the biggest moves. Teladoc Health topping the charts. When I hover over it, you'll see more information. It's present in 4 ETFs. Stock price ticking back upwards, and they also increased just 0.3%. We went over it already, right? So that's Teladoc making a big difference of 83.6 million there, followed by Roku, which is rank 4th there. Hardly any trading in any of these, as you can see. Hardly any trading. It's more like adjustment. But look at the green here. It's all because of stock price going back up. Exact Sciences, Unity Software, Spotify, CRISPR Therapeutics, Skills. Oh, 76,000 shares added, green, and making quite a big difference actually, 41.7 million, because they have a huge position in Skills by now, as I featured in a video over the weekend. Iovance Therapeutics, Tesla, ticking back upwards there, and yeah, some adjustments going on in number of shares. but look at the market value difference. Pacifica Biosciences, Intelia, Invitae, Fate Therapeutics, you have Shopify, you have CareDx, you have Square Inc., Twist Biosciences, Zoom, Beam, Tivilio, Berkeley Lights, Coinbase also. Just adjustment in the shares 0.3% more, but stock price slightly ticking upwards, causing a big change there. Then you have Palantir also. Just adjustment there as well, 96,000 shares added because they have a lot of shares. They have shares in millions for this company. So just 96,000 shares adjusted or added, and then 41.1 million difference there. One Life Health, Iridium, you have 10x Genomics, Peloton, Editas, Medicine. So those were all the big positive ones. Let's see any big negative. No, hardly any negatives. Not big though. So there's Huya, there's UiPath, only company that is present in all the 6 ETFs. Grayscale, Bitcoin, going further down. Then you have KE Holdings, Roblox going negative as well, Pinduoduo, Snap, JD. So those were the biggest moves, guys. Now let's take a look at overall portfolio that I showed in the banner itself. It's looking very green. Some red, but overall very green. Some red, and not that it's not because of stock price going down. DocuSigns, it's more because they took profit and sold some shares there. This one is very red too. Oh, Grayscale, Bitcoin. We all know Bitcoin is going down, and hence all the related companies are going down a little bit. Roblox also, they reduced, trimmed their position just a little bit. So that's pretty much it. There was no new company or removed company today. And that was your daily dose. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.